Okay, boys and girls, this week our focus is on multiplying and dividing fractions and adding and subtracting fractions. I know a lot of you know this. I'm going to show you a couple problems real quickly as sort of a review. So with multiplying fraction times fraction, remember we cross cancel, we multiply, and then we reduce if we need to. So cross canceling means I look for common factors. 6 and 8 can both be divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. That now becomes a 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That now becomes a 4. I like this problem because if you look right here, 2 and 4 can be reduced. 3 and 9 can be reduced. If I don't reduce it, I end up with 6 over 36. And Get More Math won't take that. So I need to reduce it by dividing by 6. That now equals 1/6. I could have reduced 2 and 4 right here. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and make that 1/2. I could have divided by 3 here and make that 1 and 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6, and get to the same root. Cross cancel, multiply, and reduce. That's a fraction times a fraction. Come back to this video if you need to see that again. Mixed number times a mixed number. We convert to improper, cross cancel, multiply, and reduce. So the first thing I do is I do 4 times 2 plus 1, 9 over 2. Whole number times numerator plus times denominator plus numerator. Whole number times denominator plus numerator gives me my new numerator of 11. I keep the 3. So that's now an improper. Now I'm going to cross cancel. 3 goes into both of these. 11 and 2, they don't have any common factors. 3 times 11 is 33. 2 times 1 is 2. So now I've got an improper fraction. So that means I have to convert. I do 33 divided by 2. 16 and 1/2. That's converting. Remember, 16 remainder over the divisor. Mixed times mixed. Okay, the next one. I'm going to do a fraction divided by a fraction. First thing I do is keep, change, flip. Keep this as 2 over 5. Change this to multiplication. Flip this to 7 over 6. Now I do just like I'm multiplying. Cross cancel. 2 and 6. 2 goes into both of those numbers. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 7 and 5 don't have any common factors. 1 times 7 is 7. 5 times 3 is 15. They don't have any common factors, so I don't need to reduce. Get More Math will take that answer. We're good to go. Fraction times a fraction. Divided by a fraction, sorry. And last one I'm going to show you is a mixed number divided by a mixed number. So my first step whenever I'm dealing with mixed numbers is to convert it to an improper fraction. Whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. That becomes 11 over 3. Keep the division sign first. 3 times 4 plus 3 is 15 fourths. Now I'm going to do keep, change, flip. 11 over 3 times flip 4 over 15. Now I'm going to see if there's anything to cross cancel. 4 and 3, nothing. So 44 over 45. So it's a proper fraction. Get More Math will take that answer. Okay? If you have any questions about these problems, you come back to these and look at them again. Okay? Fraction times fraction, mixed times mixed, mixed divided by mixed, and fraction divided by fraction.